Getting started. Welcome to the Employee Motivation Workshop. Employee motivation is becoming ever more important in the workplace as time goes on, and everyone agrees that a motivated workforce is far more likely to be a successful workforce. The happier and more professional an employee is, the better the results they will deliver for you. Of course, every employer wants to make sure that they have a workforce who will do their best, but this does not simply mean making the job easy for their employees. In fact, part of the problem of motivation is that where the job is too easy, employees become complacent. There is, therefore, a challenge for all employers and management in delivering the right balance between a confident, motivated workforce and a workforce which is driven to attain goals. It can be described as a mix between the pleasure of a comfortable working environment and the fear of failure, although in honesty, it is more complicated than that equation suggests. Regardless of how it's characterized, it is important to get the right balance in order to ensure that you have a motivated workforce. This manual is designed to show participants the way to get the best out of a confident, motivated set of employees and to show them how to motivate that group. Pre-assignment review. The purpose of the pre-assignment is to get you thinking about the employee motivation strategies you're already using and where you need to improve. A good pre-assignment in this case is to ask yourself how you go about motivating your employees at the moment. As well as this, it is helpful to discuss previous initiatives and why they worked or failed. This is best done in small groups, so if the group is large, more than 10 participants, it may be beneficial to separate into 2 or more groups. Allow the participants to take some time to consider the outcome of the discussion and to digest feedback from other participants. The subject will be returned to during the day more than once. Workshop objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. It is therefore helpful to set out defined targets for the training period. With a view to learning the most about employee motivation, this should include defining motivation, an employer's role in it, and how the employee can play a part. Identifying the importance of employee motivation. Identifying methods of employee motivation. Describing the theories which pertain to employee motivation with particular reference to psychology. Identifying personality types and how they fit into a plan for employee motivation. Setting clear and defined goals. Identifying specific issues in the field and addressing these issues and how to maintain this going forward.